Miami Impact windows are essential for homeowners seeking reliable storm protection windows. These windows are designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions, providing peace of mind during hurricane season. Miami Window Installation Services offer a range of options, including impact glass. Miami and Hurricane Windows Miami, ensuring your home is safeguarded against the elements. Miami Window Replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and safety of your home. With a variety of Miami Window Company options available, you can choose from top-rated Miami window contractors to handle your project. Whether you need impact-resistant windows or Miami Impact doors, these professionals deliver quality results. Hurricane shutters. Miami are a popular choice for storm protection. Miami. These shutters provide an additional layer of defense against high winds and flying debris. Miami Impact Windows experts recommend Hurricane Shutters Installation Miami to enhance your home's safety and security. Miami Window Services encompass a wide range of offerings, from impact window replacement to Miami window upgrades. Whether you're looking for impact window installation or Miami window solutions, local Miami window professionals are equipped to meet your needs. Their expertise ensures that your home remains protected and energy efficient. Impact Glass Installation Miami is a specialized service provided by Miami Glass Company experts. This service is essential for those seeking to upgrade their windows with Impact Glass Miami, which offers superior protection and durability. Miami window suppliers offer a variety of impact glass options to suit your specific requirements. Storm Windows Miami are an excellent investment for homeowners in Miami, Florida. These windows provide robust protection against severe weather conditions, making them a popular choice for Miami window contractors. Storm Windows Installation Miami is a service that ensures your home is prepared for any storm. Miami Window Company services are comprehensive, covering everything from Hurricane Impact Windows Miami to Impact Window Replacement Miami. These services are designed to enhance the safety and functionality of your home. Miami Window Expert services are tailored to meet the unique needs of each client, ensuring satisfaction and peace of mind. Hurricane Window Installation Miami is a critical service for those living in hurricane-prone areas. Miami Window Supplier Services offer a range of hurricane windows installation, Miami options, ensuring your home is equipped to handle the toughest storms. Miami Window Solutions Services provide customized solutions to meet your specific needs. Impact Windows Installation Miami FL is a service that offers unparalleled protection for your home. Miami Window Professionals Services specialize in installing high-quality impact windows. Miami, Florida, ensuring your home is safe and secure. These professionals are dedicated to providing top-notch service and exceptional results. Miami Impact Glass Services are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their home's safety and aesthetics. Miami Glass Company services offer a variety of impact glass options, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. Window Services Miami, Florida are designed to provide comprehensive solutions for all your window needs. Storm Protection Services Miami are vital for ensuring your home is prepared for any weather event. Miami Window Contractors Services offer a range of storm protection windows. Miami FL options, ensuring your home is fortified against the elements. These Miami Impact Windows services are essential for maintaining the safety and integrity of your home.